Sure. My name is Jeff Perkins. I'm the product manager for Composites manufacturing work cells at Radius Engineering. I've been here about 10 years. Um, for
And on a personal
Yeah, go ahead.
level?
Yeah. Well, I like outdoor recreation. That's part of the reason I live here in beautiful Salt Lake City, Utah. Skiing, snowboarding, um, mountain biking, things like that for fun. Um, And then here at work as a product manager, I try to guide the development of product features to deliver customer satisfaction for our equipment. That's really my main goal in this role. What we try to do is deliver manufacturing capability to our customers so they can be successful for the production of high quality composites manufacturing for the aerospace market primarily.
Hmm.
I lead a team of engineers to design and build and support equipment for the life of production programs.
Oh, sounds really interesting. And it's great to deliver value to your customers and also the balance you have with your personal hobbies.
Yeah,
What do you love the most about your work?
yeah. I think about the work and our company here at Radius is that I think we care about our people here at Radius. We're a fairly small company, but we get to deliver exciting technology and capability to our customers. And our culture is built around really constant innovation. And I really love that part of what we do as well. But it's really the talented people that come to work here and are excited about what we do that are the source of all of that success. And I feel like most of the people here feel valued in their professional contributions, but also who they are as an individual with their families and their personal lives as well, which is, I think, fairly unique about Radius.
Yeah, sounds like that. And what do you find like a main challenge, the top challenge for for Radius at this stage, and how does it impact your role?
Yeah, I think the probably the biggest challenge is related to the cyclical and sometimes volatile nature of the aerospace market that we're primarily
Hmm.
focused on. This has really been a big challenge for us and most of our customers, most people in the industry the last few years.
I can relate to
Um,
that.
yeah, I'm sure you can. Of course, the pandemic's impact on commercial aerospace sector, particularly, as well as major OEM program difficulties, I think has somewhat stunted the growth trajectory for new technologies to be implemented at U.S. manufacturers in particular. Um, and so, one of our biggest challenges today, I think, is to mature our technologies for the production of net shape composite structures so that more manufacturers are able to seize the opportunity for a step change in their operations when that opportunity comes. Um, we may see this opportunity, I think, with either new markets like AAM or potentially a next generation aircraft. But right now, we really need to focus on helping our customers build a foundation of good processes uh, that will serve as their launching pad, so to speak, for future success. And that's really why we've been interested in working with Platane to help improve the digitalization of the resin transfer molding process in particular, which is an area of our focus.
Hmm. Yeah, we're really happy to collaborate on this together since it's also one of our goals to help customers to transform their businesses digitally to improve their
Yeah.
efficiency, of course. Is the sustainability and circular and recycling, circular manufacturing is something that you deal with right now? Is it part of your the company agenda?
Um, I, I think we're not as focused on recycling and the circular economy from a sustainability standpoint. We're really more focused on how to eliminate waste initially. And that can come, from just better processing to eliminate scrap, and also reduction of energy consumption through out-of-autoclave processes.
Mm-hmm. What will be your best tip for digital transformation, which we've discussed earlier?
Yeah, I think the biggest thing that I try to talk about is to with our customers anyway, is to think about how to do things right from the beginning, and build quality into the process right from the get-go. Too often I see manufacturers that are boxed in by short-term decisions that are based off of cost and lead time, and then they don't have a means to change that operating paradigm for really sustainable operations in the future. And again, sustainability in this context for us is mostly around achieving efficient processes through high first pass yield that then also lead to on-time delivery, and ultimately need to be profitable for the manufacturers and provide value for OEMs.
Mm-hmm. So you're actually focusing on strategizing the plan, like working, focusing on the strategy, and then ultimately it will affect the bottom line.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, what's the approach to manufacturing, and how do you implement processes that are robust and repeatable to deliver the quality of the part the first time through? There's obviously a lot of waste if people are scrapping parts, if they're having to rework parts. There's tremendous opportunity there to reduce energy consumption and improve profit overall by following that operating model.
Definitely. You're in a great direction then. On a personal note, I would like to ask you if you weren't a product manager for Radius, what do you like to, like, what will be your wish? What would you be doing? Skiing
Yeah,
at Utah and biking all around?
I would do that more often, certainly. Yeah, I would spend as much time outside enjoying the recreation that I like as much as possible. But I'm definitely the type of person to want to be busy and look for goals to accomplish. Very engineering minded, I'd say, throughout my career and even in my younger years. So I probably would still be involved in engineering in some capacity,
Mhm.
but of course, spending more time recreating would be nice as well.
Great. Jeff, I would like to thank you for this insightful interview for Crazy for Composites.
You're welcome.